So you're looking for new ways to make money online, right? But you're a beginner and you don't exactly know where to go or how to start. Well, I've got you. So in this video, I will be showing you a method that is making people hundreds, thousands, even millions of dollars every single month using this particular method. If you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around throughout this video. What's up, money makers? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond Chanel and we talk about all things money. So in this video, I will be showing you a business model that is creating a lot of success for so many different people, and that business model is dropshipping. Now, before you roll your eyes, let me explain. Dropshipping is only a business model, okay? So you as a seller, you will find a third-party manufacturer or supplier that is going to take care of all the fulfillment requirements to get that product to your customer. And this is a business model that works very, very well and has little to zero overhead costs. That's why it's such a great business to start as a beginner. Now, in this video, we will be utilizing Spocket because we will need them to find our suppliers and to find our products. So before we get started within this video, I need to go over a few things. Firstly, I would greatly appreciate it if you like this video because this will help us expand our money-making community. Also, somewhere within this video, I will be telling you about a special giveaway. So if you want a chance to win and you want a chance to participate in the giveaway, you have to watch the video to figure out when I start talking about that. In this video, I will be breaking down the 3 simple steps that you need to create a successful dropshipping store. And the first step is going to be finding and pricing a good product. Let's jump over to my computer so I can show you how to find a winning product. First, we need to sign up for Spocket, which you can do by going into the description box and finding the Spocket link. And then one way of finding products is just simply going through their marketplace and checking out the different products that are there that they have. And what you want to do is look at the pricing, and they'll tell you the listing cost versus the retail price. So this is how much the product costs versus how much you can sell it for. So if you find a product that you feel like that you like, you can check how much it's selling for on Amazon and see if it is a popular product. Or you can start by looking through social media, which is one of my favorite methods to finding winning products. We're going to use TikTok to help build our dropshipping store. So what we're going to do is look up the hashtag TikTok made me buy it, or you can also look up Amazon finds. Those hashtags are really great. And as you can see, these are a bunch of videos with people just showcasing small products, and these videos are getting millions of views. So I always like to find something that interests me, typically something that is small, portable, that isn't going to break easy, and also has some sort of technological use to it. So this camera would be perfect. And you can see by the engagement and by the comments that people love this product. So that would be an item that I would write down as a potential drop shipping product for me to sell. Now, I want to show you this winning product here, which is a sunset projector. As you can see, it has a whole lot of engagement and people are infatuated with it. So products like these, like I said, small, portable, doesn't break easy, and has some sort of technological use to it, especially for your home or any type of home decor. So this one rings all of those bells and is perfect. So let me show you how you would find this using Spocket. You will go over to the app and then you can go into the search bar and look up the product that you just found. So I'm going to put in sunset lamp to find it. Here are a few different suppliers that have this product, so we want to check out the pricing and also the images because these images are ones that we can use on our website. Another important thing is to have the description. You want to make sure that it clearly states what this product is, what it does, what it's made out of, because this helps the customer make the purchase, and we also want to pay attention to our shipping times. So now let's look at the pricing. So it costs $26 to purchase this product, and they're saying that you can get $39 from it. However, I went on Amazon and I found the product for $32. So we're going to try to see if we can find this item a little bit cheaper. So I go over to AliExpress and I find this same product for $15. So what we're going to do is we're going to use Spocket again, and we're going to use their Ali scraper to import this product into our Spocket portal. So that's another really cool feature that they have. So these are other products that I went ahead and added to my portal. I want to show you this hidden gem on how you can find different products in your niche. So you can go to the Spocket Help Center, and they actually have a whole article that says, what product should I sell? And then they give you their top product recommendation. So this is broken down from different seasonal collections and yearly collections. So since this is March, a couple holidays that we do have coming up is Easter, for example, or the 4th of July. So you want to jump on these holiday or seasonal trends early so that you can get the most out of those sales. However, it will be best to make sure that you incorporate some type of yearly products as well. So I'm going to just pick a niche and I'll show you how you can find a good winning product through Spocket and still using social media. So this one is called Eco-Friendly Collection, and you can go through and check out all of the different eco-friendly or sustainable products that they have. And in another video, I talked about why even selling eco-friendly products is a huge market. But anyways, I'm going to show you how you can find good products. So you can go over to TikTok again, and you can use the hashtag eco-friendly. This hashtag alone has over 2 billion views and over 100,000 videos listed within it. So that is a good reflection of how people like to buy and how people are interested in eco-friendly products. So that's a good niche to get into. So anyway, I would just go ahead and look through this type of video and try to find something that I can find and sell from Spocket. So this caught my eye because I saw it right there in the list, and these are fruit and vegetable silicone cover bands, something that's very simple but very trendy because it is a sustainable product. So that is a good example. And also I wanted to show you these portable, eco-friendly, collapsible cups that will also do well on TikTok. So I hope that I inspired you and you got a few ideas from this list. Once you completed the first part of this video, let me tell you about this special giveaway. If you would like a chance to win, I need you first to subscribe to this channel, and then secondly, go down into the comment section and say ready. And what I will be giving away is 1 free year access to Spocket so that you can jumpstart your dropshipping business right away. If you want a chance to have an entire year of using Spocket and all of its features, make sure that you comment ready in the comment section below. All right, now let's get back into the video. The second step that we must take to create a successful dropshipping store is creating our website. So the great thing about Spocket is once you found your product and you've imported it into your Spocket portal, you can now connect Spocket directly to Shopify, and it's going to automatically upload into your Shopify website. This means that whenever someone comes to your website and they purchase a product, all of their information is directly sent back to Spocket, and they are ready to fulfill your orders and ship it out. So this means that you don't have to be so hands-on in your business. You can literally be sleeping and still making sales and making sure that your whole system is automated. I also just want to clarify, in case you don't like Shopify or you already have a different website, Spocket can also integrate with all of the big hosting platforms such as BigCommerce, Wix, WixCommerce, AliExpress, Squarespace. So you're not subjected or obligated only to use Shopify because Spocket will integrate with all of these websites as well. Now, another part about branding your business, because this is what we want to do. We want to make sure that we look like a brand and not just some random drop shippers, right? So you can use this feature that is called the branding invoices. And what this does is every time a customer purchases a product, it's going to send them an invoice. Now, me as a business owner, it is so important to keep up with your invoices just in case somebody tries to say that they didn't get a product or whatever like that, because things happen. Now, the best thing is that you can upload a picture of yourself. You can upload your brand logo, whatever it is, so that people recognize where this invoice came from, right? And you can fill in your contact information. And then I also put in a special personal note. And this is just thanking the customer for their purchase and also giving them a 20% discount towards their next purchase, because we want our customers to keep coming back. So this is a great way to implement branding and to have a loyal customer base. And this is what that invoice would look like. And again, it's great to brand and have customers recognize exactly who you are, but it's also protecting you so that if a customer says that this was fraud or that they never ordered from your website, you'll have the evidence. Now, the third step to having a successful dropshipping store is, of course, going to be finding and getting sales. The best way to get sales for your dropshipping business is going to be utilizing social media. There are a few different ways that you can do this. The first way that you can do this is going to be the free way of doing this, and that is, of course, marketing your own products. You do not have to show your face. You don't have to utilize your personal Instagram pages to market your products. However, you can. But what you can actually utilize is short form content. And what I mean by this is taking no more than 60-second videos of the product, explaining what it does, or just showcasing the different ways to use that product. The short form videos that we will be utilizing for our products is either TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. The reason why we're going to utilize this is because with all three platforms, we can gain a lot of attention really fast by just utilizing trendy sounds or different challenges that can help boost us up in these algorithms. Here's a second way of marketing your products on social media. If you don't want to do the marketing yourself, or you don't want to do the content creation yourself, you can always just pay influencers to do it for you. So you want to find influencers that are going to be within the same niche of your product and just email them, DM them, or just ask them how much they would charge to showcase your product for a day or 2 days, or whatever the agreements are going to be. This way, you don't actually have to do any of the content yourself. Somebody who already has a following, who already has a niche, can market it for you, and you don't want to find anybody with millions and millions of followers or subscribers. So someone with 10,000 followers or less to market your products, because number one, they're not going to charge you as much, and number two, they have a little bit more trust and intimacy with their followers than usually people who have millions and millions of followers. Now, lastly, you can find someone on Fiverr or Upwork to help you create advertisements on Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram for your products. If you really want to build a brand and you're looking to really be successful with your dropshipping store, you can also do that way as well. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please remember that if you want to participate in the special giveaway, you must comment below and say ready. You also must subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to be picked. Don't forget that all of the links that you need will be in my description below. So if you're ready to get started with Spocket, click the link in my description below to get started. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and make sure that you check out these two videos here because they're going to give you some more money making tips. All right, I'll see you all in the next one.